how to pay bills on Royal Bank of Canada. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can pay bills on the Royal Bank of Canada. So to do this is very simple. The first thing to do is to log in or to open up your web browser and then type out Royal Bank of Canada. Then you'll be directed to the personal banking page, as you can see on my screen. And the next thing for you to do is to sign in by clicking on the sign in option at the right side of the screen. Then once you click on it, you'll be directed to a page where you'll be asked to sign in using your username or your client's card. Just input the one you want, either your username or your client's card, then you click on next. Currently, I cannot go beyond this because I do not have a Royal Bank account. But for you, just click on it and then sign in. Once you are signing into your account, from the account summaries page, go to the quick payments and transfers by the right side of the page. Once you click on quick payment and transfers, a box will be displayed showcasing some fields. All right. Now, in the tool field, select the amount you want to send. Select the account you want to send the money from, and then select the recipient. All right. Once you selected the recipient, click on next, and then once you click on next, review your account and then click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, follow the remaining on-screen instruction, and then the bills will be paid on your account, all right, or from your account. It is that simple. Okay, so this is how you can pay bills on Royal Bank of Canada. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.